My name is Chris, and I'm obsessed with pizza. Today, I'm at work, I'm in my office, I'm making Detroit-style pizza, as one does. I just started experimenting with Detroit-style pizza, and one thing that I've seen online, a lot of pizza critics, one in particular, says that he wishes he had more sauce on a Detroit-style pizzas. I understand that. I'm a sauce guy. I think sauce is a linchpin of the pizza. But the issue is, I learned the hard way, it's my second pie like this, is that if you put too much sauce, it separates, water drips down, makes the dough very spongy and soggy, and nobody wants that in a Detroit-style pizza. So I have a workaround that I'm thinking about for a future video to show you, but let me show you how I'm going to put the sauce on today. Hopefully it'll work out better. All right, so spooning it on carefully. They say to put it in lines and not put too much. This is hard for me because, like I said, I love the sauce, but I'm trying to strike a good balance between getting enough sauce on there so I taste it without making the pizza soggy. Detroit style, the crust kind of is the star, but again, sauce. I love the sauce. All right, it's going into a 500-degree oven for about 15 minutes, and we'll catch you later, see how it comes out.